Hi friends, welcome to Banda Microbiology, the den where the microscopic world meets the adorable banded charm. I am Maya, your guide on this exciting journey through the tiniest wonders of life. Get ready to explore the hidden realms of microorganisms, all with a touch of Banda magic. Are you ready to dive in?
Three, two, one!
Today, we are diving into the very building blocks of life, cells. But not just any cells, we are exploring the interesting world of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Get ready for the adventure where we uncover the differences, mind-blowing similarities between these two foundational cell types. Take a moment and look at yourself. If I ask you, how many organisms have you observed? Your very thoughts might be that there is just one, yourself. However, if you look too closer at the surface of your skin, you would see that there are actually many organisms living there. That's right, you are home to around 100 trillion bacterial cells. This means that your body is actually an ecosystem. Let's recall the cell theory, which includes statement that all living things are made of one or more cells. In the three domains of life, we can see that prokaryotic are organisms that can be bacteria or archaea, which are unicellular, while eukaryotics are organisms that all fit in this last domain, eukarya. Eukaryotes may be protists, plants, animals, and fungi. Can be unicellular or multicellular, just like you. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells are the building blocks of life, each with its own unique features and function. Let's learn more about them. Eukaryotic cells are truly remarkable cells, possessing a nucleus that houses their DNA, surrounded by a protective membrane. We can find such cells in organisms like plants, animals, fungi, and humans like you. On the other hand, prokaryotic cells rule with simplicity. These humble cells lack a distinct nucleus. Instead, their DNA floats freely in the cell's interior. We can find such cells in bacteria and archaea. So now we know what they actually are. But the question is, what are the similarities and differences between these two cells? It was once said that what's true for E. coli is true for elephant. Escherichia coli is the common intestinal bacterium and prokaryote, while elephant are eukaryotes. Although this statement is not entirely true. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes share lots of common. They both contain DNA, the master blueprint of life, which guides their growth and development. They also have ribosomes, which are the tiny factories that work tirelessly to create the building blocks of life, proteins. These cells have cytoplasm, which is the jelly fluid within the cell. Moreover, these two cells have a cell membrane, which is also known as a plasma membrane, which is critical because it's controls which goes in and out the cell. Therefore, it maintains the homeostasis of the cell. As for the cell wall, which is the rigid outermost covering of the cell, is present in most prokaryotic cells and many of eukaryote like plants, fungal cells. On the other hand, which make them different is very interesting. Nucleus. Eukaryotic cells possess a well-defined membrane-bound nucleus, where the genetic material is housed, while prokaryotes lack a true nucleus. As for membrane-bound organelles, prokaryotic cells have no membrane-bound organelles. It just has some structures like ribosomes, but they are not enclosed by membrane. It's all messy here. While eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound organelles, such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and more organelles. Finally, as we see here, eukaryotic cells are larger than prokaryotic cells. It's clear that life's diversity begins at the cellular level, from the intricate inner working of eukaryotic cells to the simplicity and resilience of prokaryotic cells. Each contributes to the tapestry of life in its own unique way. If you've enjoyed this journey, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for more exciting journey into the wonders of microbiology. Until next time, stay curious!